The Model 3078 and 3078i are ergonomic, lightweight instruments that are designed to measure gamma radiation while remaining at a safe distance from potentially high fields of radiation. These instruments are capable of measuring from 100 mR per hour to 1000 R per hour. These stretch scopes feature an external detector housing on a telescoping mast that contains two GM detectors. One detector is for low range and the other is for high range measurements. The Model 3078i differs from the 3078 because it adds an internally mounted detector that is used to measure the dose to the operator. All parameters on the 3078 in this video are at factory default settings. The instrument features a large backlit LCD liquid crystal display that is digital and auto-ranging. The mast is made from strong yet lightweight carbon fiber. The Model 3078 runs on 4 AA batteries with a battery life of 85 hours. There is an LED lamp located on the end of the detector housing that can be activated to illuminate the area being surveyed. There are 4 buttons for basic controls on the meter. The on audio button is used to turn the meter on and off. It also is used to adjust the audio level. The units button is used to change between primary and secondary display units. There are several choices of units available. The detector button will manually activate either the low or high range detector, or it can be set for the detectors to switch automatically depending on the radiation level. The lamp mode button is used to alternate between the 4 modes of operation: rate, max, count, and dose modes. The rate mode will display real-time readings of count, exposure, dose, or activity rate. The max mode is used to capture the highest reading. The count mode allows the user to perform a count for a predetermined time. The dose mode allows the user to view a real-time integrated dose. The lamp mode button can also be used to turn the LED light on the end of the mast on and off. The handle on the Model 3078 includes 3 push buttons. The Acknowledge Reset button is used to acknowledge alarms, reset readings, and to adjust the audio level. This is Level 1 audio. This is Level 2 audio. This is Level 3 audio. And the 4th push will mute the audio. The Log button allows the instrument to log up to 1,000 data points when activated with the optional Lumic data logging kit. The Program button is used to enter the setup mode and for reading the integrated dose on the internal detector on Model 3078i's. The Model 3078 comes with an overload protection feature that prevents the display of false readings in very high radiation fields. The meter can also sense a detector failure. If, after a specified period of time, no pulses have been detected from the detector, the display will flash a 0 reading. Then, the audio alarm will be triggered and a loss of counts icon will be displayed. The Model 3078 has overrange protection. This is designed to warn the user that they have exceeded the measuring capability of a detector. The 3078 LCD display has a backlight that will illuminate automatically if the ambient light level becomes too low. The display backlight can also be configured to be on continuously, although the battery life will be shortened. Setup of the instrument may be accomplished through the front panel buttons, or through Lumic calibration software, which is available for purchase from Ludlum Measurements. A low battery indicator appears at the top of the LCD when less than 16 hours of battery life remain. Follow these steps to replace the 4 standard AA batteries. Press the silver latch on the bottom of the left side of the instrument case and gently slide the instrument toward the detector and away from the handle base. Turn the instrument over so that the bottom of the instrument is facing up. Use a coin or a straight medium-sized screwdriver to turn the screw on the battery cover 1/4 turn counterclockwise. Remove the battery cover. Remove the 4 AA batteries. Replace with fresh batteries. Replace the cover and turn the screw 1/4 of a turn clockwise to secure. Place the meter back on the mounting plate and gently slide the instrument away from the detector and toward the handle base until the latch engages. Turn the instrument on by pressing the on/acknowledge button for about 1 second and then release it. The instrument should briefly activate all the LCD segments. The instrument will then display the current revision level of each board installed in the system: main board, internal detector high voltage board, and auxiliary communications board. Next, the instrument will display the firmware version, the battery voltage, and then the number of stored records if data logging has been enabled. The instrument will then move to normal operation and display the instrument readings in rate mode in the primary units, and the audio will become active. The mast may be extended or retracted by loosening the locking rings for each section on the mast. Then, simply slide the sections as needed. The maximum extended length is 15.3 feet. That's all for the overview of the Model 3078 stretch scope. For more detailed descriptions of the features of the Model 3078 and an explanation of how to set up the parameters on the instrument, please consult the instrument manual.
Need a quote, parts, service, or just have a question? Give us a call at 1-800-661-4591. Stewart Hunt & Associates has offices in Western and Central Canada ready to serve you.